Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want your child to be safe and look pretty cool while doing it, then check out this awesome Spider-Man helmet from Bell. My son knows that if he is on a scooter or on his bike, he must have a helmet. Ever since he's gotten this Spider-Man helmet, he absolutely wants to put it on, and there is no battle doing it. This gives me as a parent peace of mind knowing that my son is being safe and his head is protected when he's out playing. The helmet itself is very nice and has a little additional padding on the inside, and I really love that it has an adjustable strap. For my son, of course, he loves that it's Spider-Man because he is obsessed with Spider-Man, but he also loves the really cool mohawk spikes in the middle. He just was blown away when he got this, and he absolutely loves it. I really love the fit of this too. He doesn't have a small head per se, so I was really comfortable knowing that this fits his head nice and securely, and the fact that we can adjust it to give it the correct fit makes me feel even better about that. So if you're looking for a helmet that will not only give you a peace of mind for safety, but also be loved by your child, then check out this awesome Spider-Man helmet from Bell. And that's just my point of view.